Welcome, in front of me is HP Stream 14 and in this video I will show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on this laptop. Now if you have access to your physical keyboard or if you have an external keyboard connected to your device, you can use the shortcut of Windows, Ctrl and O buttons pressed at the same time to call the on-screen keyboard. You can adjust this keyboard size and shape by dragging the sides and the corners of it, and basically you can use this keyboard as a normal one, just open any field, text field, and start inputting some text. It also does have a numpad, as you can see right here. Now if you want to access the same keyboard from settings, you can go to the settings, then select accessibility settings right here, and then go to the keyboard, and then switch the toggle to the right next to the on-screen keyboard feature, and this way you will enable it. And if you don't want to go to the settings each time you want to call the on-screen keyboard, then you can just select personalization, then go to the taskbar. Then in the taskbar menu you have to expand this list and change the value to always, and now you get the keyboard on your taskbar. It's not the very same keyboard, it's not even similar one, but you can call it from anywhere just by clicking on clicking on this icon on the taskbar. And you can also use it just like a normal keyboard, except for it doesn't have a numpad, which is the only downside of it. But now since you don't have to reach to the settings each time you want to use an on-screen keyboard, I think it's a great deal. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.